Hey guys, welcome back to Talk with Precious. I remain Peter's Precious, and today we're going to be talking about something very interesting. We're going to be talking about how we can tackle something we all struggle with, and that's going to be negative thoughts. Whether you're dealing with self doubts, you're dealing with stress, or in general just having a bad day, all those negative thoughts can have a serious toll on our mental health. But don't worry, I'll be sharing three strategies to help you overcome them and feel more in control. The first strategy I'm going to be talking about is challenge your thoughts. We need to challenge these fears. Oftentimes, our negative thoughts are exaggerated feelings, and these are usually based on our fears and not facts that is happening around us. So you need to challenge this mindset or the thoughts processes. Now, when a negative thought comes to your mind, the first thing you should do is this true? Is this a reality? Are there evidence based to back this up in my reality that this is actually happening to me? If no, try to replace that negative thought or that negative bias in your mind with something positive. When a negative thought pops into your mind, a lot of times our response, bodily response, is just like, oh, to avoid that particular situation, if it's a situation. But first of all, you need to ask yourself, is this really true? Is this evidence based, or is my situation reflecting this? Like, try to look for circumstantial evidence around you to know, okay, is this actually the fact of life, or is it just my mentality, or is it my fears just bringing those thoughts to mind? If you have any negative thoughts that happened to you recently, or what negative thought do you think you've been struggling with as a person, you can put this down in the comment section. But the best thing is to challenge these negative thoughts and replace them with positive thoughts. I did this recently where you have to write one negative thing you feel about yourself, or an idea that keeps coming to your mind for a while, for a long period of time, and write a positive thing you feel, okay, yeah, this is also about me, right? And then think about the first origination of that negative thoughts to yourself. It could have been because of a situation, maybe someone spoke that words to you, like maybe you're not good enough. Go back and check the origination of that negative thought. Where did it start from? When did you start seeing yourself in that light? Then reflect on this and change the negative thoughts with a positive statement, and keep saying this to yourself just to have create a positive mindset in yourself. That's a good way to challenge these negative thoughts. The second strategy I'm going to be giving today is practice self-compassion. Oftentimes, we're our worst critics. We criticize ourselves even before we even take an action into plan. Most times, we criticize ourselves way worse than anybody could have criticized us. If you have a friend, imagine a scenario where you have a friend having the same situation you're going through right now. What are you going to tell your friend? Speak to yourself in that loving manner, and that's a way to help yourself from negative thoughts. When you catch yourself having severe negative thoughts, or you're feeling speaking ill of yourself or speaking down to yourself, just think about it. Oh, if it was somebody I love, my family member, a close friend of mine, in this situation, how would I speak to her? And then try to talk kinder to yourself. Give yourself that compassion to yourself. And then you realize something, your mental health will improve tremendously. Try it out. You can drop an art emoji in the comment section if you're committed to showing yourself more kindness in this week and coming weeks. The third strategy I'm going to be giving is reframe or rephrase negative situations or statements. Truth be told, life don't always go the way we plan it. That's just the fact about life. And negative situations, even statements or circumstances, have a way of just dragging us down emotionally. But what we can do? Try rephrasing the situation. Try reframing this statement. It's going to help you shift your perspective from what's wrong to the way you're going to view it in a positive light. A quick example is going to be this. If a situation happened and you have zero control over, sometimes we do have control over these things, but if a situation happened and something went wrong, instead of focusing your mind on what went wrong, like, oh, this is just a big problem, right? Let's think about what lessons do you pick from this? because you can try a procedure and it doesn't work out, but you knew now you've learned something that this is not going to work this way, right? Try to focus on the things, points, and lessons you can learn from a situation and not just fixing your sole gaze on the problem itself. Ask yourself a question. What did I learn? How can I grow? What is the best step to take from here? What will be the best decision to make from here on? And then this simple mind shift can help a situation seriously. And even your mental health too. It will definitely help you bounce back faster. It's not like you're not going to have a strenuous time trying to bounce back, but it's going to help you bounce back faster. So these are the three practical strategies to help overcome negative thoughts. With the first being challenge them, practice self-compassion, and the third one is reframe negative situations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe to my channel, and share to any friend or family you feel might need a boost in this time. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to take a little time to talk about your mental health today. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.